Today we're in Callao Salvaje. Callao Salvaje is about 10-minute drive away from Las Americas, probably 25 minutes, half an hour max to the airport. It's more of a residential area than a tourist destination, although it is great for holidays. So we've got a fantastic beach, which has been probably finished about, I want to say 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. Fantastic pool on here as well, which was probably totally refurbished 2 years ago, up to the latest standards. Callao Salvaje itself has got plenty of restaurants, plenty of bars, as I say, plus that lovely beach that we've got there. Today we're on a complex called Sunset View. We're looking at a 1-bedroom apartment which has got a parking facility as well, also included in the price, and this property is being sold fully furnished. So everything that you see is included apart from just a couple of personal items. Let's have a look around. So coming in through the main door there, on the right hand side straight away we've got the kitchen, fully fitted. It's got everything there that you need. It's got a washing machine, got a fridge freezer, oven and an electric hob. This is all original here, but it still looks in good condition. And then we look out through there onto the lounge. So we've got the lounge here. So we've got this dining table which is kind of extendable. A little bit goes down the side there. There's a television, sofa, which I'm wondering, let's have a quick look, see if it is. Yep, sofa bed. So, sofa bed there, and then obviously bedroom, double bedroom, which we'll look at in a sec. Nice little balcony out here, large enough for a table and a couple of chairs. And then we've got a view out up to the mountains actually. And then in through this door here, we've got the bedroom. Got a good sized double bed there, and then we've got a chest of drawers, and also plenty of storage here. That wall is just full of built-in cupboard, with a ceiling fan as well as a light. And then out of here, and then just turn right, and we've got the bathroom, fully fitted again. Toilet, bidet, shower into the bath, and the hand basin. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.